to announce on behalf of the Senate, on behalf of the President of the Senate.
My Naija people don bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some story wey be say it just happened. The Nigerian senators they don come join body donate their December salary to the people that wey be say their family buy and the ones that wey be say they won't job during wey be say Nigeria Army drone airstrike buy them, and the money wey be say they donate they give them na 109 million naira. Now they donate they give them as their salary. As Nigerians they don't come out, come they hate senators them say they try for this one wey be say they do.
So that I want to announce on behalf of the Senate, on behalf of the President of the Senate, that we are going to donate our salaries for a full month to be given to those affected by those that were affected by this.
The Senate President will be Godswill Akpabio don come mark in 61 birthday as him use better event wey dey very colourful to do the birthday for inside the Godswill Akpabio International Stadium for Uyo, Akwa Ibom State on Saturday, December 9, 2023 as plenty senior men and senior women for inside Nigeria honor am. The governor of Kaduna State, wey name be Diko Rada, don come dey hail the joint security team for the fight back wey dey fight against Omila terrorists dem wey dey worry that Zaka community inside Safana local government area of Kaduna State as they come rescue one 33-year-old man wey be say they kidnap. Na on Saturday, na im dey post these pictures on top the Facebook page. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency don catch 12 bags of cocaine wey be say one drug lord go carry for inside Akano Abiam International Airport to Enugu State on Saturday, December 9, 2023, and the name of the man na Augustine Emeka, 44 years old. One full loaded truck don come fall as e come go hook for inside one gutter wey dey for Fafuwa for Ipaja area of Lagos State on Sunday, December 10, 2023. As Lagos State Traffic Management Authority will be last month officials and don't come share this video on top their X handle as they come yarn say that officials they make sure say they go carry the truck come out for road because it dey cause traffic. Federal government of Nigeria don remove value-added tax wey be VAT and custom duty from the cooking gas import to help bring the high cost of cooking gas for inside Nigeria. Kechi Okuchi don come remember 18 years after wey she follow for the people that wey be say get plane crash for inside the Sosoliso plane wey crash for inside 2005 as she come remember 60 other people that wey be say they buy for inside the plane. One lady don come post this picture of her with one fine small girl as she come yarn said when the girl dey 1 year old say im papa shoot the girl for face come even shoot the girl mama take poof pie say but today na the girl don dey 12 years old and they try to clock 13 years old as she come dey celebrate the girl say as the girl dey kampe and she dey kakaraka. The chief of defence staff wey be General Christopher Musa don come dey beg Nigerians say make dem not look down on Nigerian army because of the mistake wey their drone airstrike take poof pie plenty people dem for inside the Tundubiri community for Kaduna State as im come dey yarn say because Nigerian army dey very determined to make sure say they go end the insecurity wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come host the 64th extraordinary session of ECOWAS Authority for inside Abuja on Sunday, December 10, 2023. One man wey im name be Dr. Andy Elabo wey come from Ela inside Oshimiri North local government area of Delta State don come poof by and im sleep im no wake up on Monday, November 27, 2023, just 2 weeks to the 18th anniversary wey Sosoliso airplane dey crash 2005 wey poof by 3 of im children dem wey dey for inside the plane. One fake prophet wey in church name be Supernatural Embassy Ministry wey in name be Christopher Firi dem don carry am take go court for inside Malawi say because im for snap kpekus of 16-year-old daughter wey im born by himself and on Friday, December 8, 2023 na im dey carry am take go court while im deny all the charges dem. One popular photographer wey based for Port Harcourt, Rivers State, wey dem dey popularly call White Shuttle, im don come kpuff after wey be say im get ogbonge accident by himself, and na with im car na im still get the accident for that wimpy area of Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State. 22-year-old student of Sheikh Ramadan Arabic School for inside Ilori, Kwara State don come kpuff himself, and the name of the student na Alfa Musa, and dem see am wey be say use rope take hang himself for neck for inside im room wey dey for Ogidi area of Ilori on December 7th, 2023. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency don come catch one groom with 25 other people dem say because dem carry drug dey drink through wey be say dem dey do the reception party for inside Katsina State. Na this gbege take happen. Calabar police don come arrest one man wey im name be Samadina George wey be say kpuff im mama wey be Mrs. Charity Orji and im sister wey be Ukamaka Orji, come bury dem for inside one shallow grave for their backyard wey dey for inside Enugu State on Monday, December 4th, 2023. Na this gbege take happen, but we never really know wetin make the guy take kpuff im mama and im sister.
Bishop is o'clock. My name na Negi. Make una get ogbonge weekend.